Hi my lovely people, welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show about AWS, Azure, Cloud, DevOps, SRE, fresher job openings. Okay, if you're a fresher having complete 0 years of experience, or if you're a fresher with at least 3 months of internship experience, 6 months, 9 months, or 1 year of working experience, no problem. You can easily apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you now today. Okay, so and moreover, you may be from the any branches, guys. You may be from the any branches, like you may be from the civil, mechanical, you may be from the chemical, or you may be from the CS, IT, or you may be from the any different education backgrounds. Like you may be from the any degrees, not a problem. Okay, like you may be from the BB Tech, ME, Tech, MCA, BCA, or you may be from the diploma, or you may be from the BCom, MCom, or you may be from the BSc, not a problem. Okay, you can also apply. And moreover, if you want to switch your career from non-IT to the IT, and if you want to switch your career from IT domains, like it may be the different domains like Java, full stack, or you may be from the service now, you may be from the any domains, guys, cyber security. If you want to switch your career into this AWS cloud or a DevOps cloud, you can easily apply to the job openings. Okay, so without wasting much time, we'll directly get into the job openings. Okay, so before that, I'm requesting everyone, please subscribe the channel and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Okay, so now let's begin the first job opening. Here the first job opening comes from the company ProArc. This company name itself is a ProArc. Okay, this company is mainly hiring for the position of cloud support trainee. Here the position is cloud support trainee, and as you can see, this is an on-site job, and the job locations comes from the Hyderabad, Telangana location. Okay, as you can see, the department is cloud and IT infrastructure department. Okay, and moreover, this is a full-time job opportunity for you. Here they have given the description of the job. Okay, so you just read about yourself. If you because I'm not going to read about the description, I'll be reading only the skill section. Okay, here the requirement is degree in computer science or equivalent, BTech, IT, CS, BCA, BSc, MCA. So if you have just completed our degree in the computer science or in any field, not a problem, guys, or mainly in the BTech, you are highly preferred, or if you are any other than that, okay, you are also preferred, but you should have some good amount of skills as well as project in your resume. That is important. Next is excellent data and oral communication skills. Okay, you should be knowing the writing as well as the oral communication skills are very mandatory. Okay. Next is basic understanding of customer service. Here you should be knowing what does the customer requires. Okay, so you should be ready to handle your customer. That is the main important thing. Hands-on experience and or understanding of MS Office. Here you should be having knowledge on the MS Office also. Okay, they have clearly mentioned here basics understanding of cloud advantages. Here they have clearly mentioned that you should be having a knowledge on cloud. It may be any cloud. It may be like AWS, Azure, GCP, Oracle. Any guys, if you have knowledge on the basics knowledge, they have asked. Okay, so that is also fine. Willing to work in a rotational night shift, including weekends. Look at this. You will be having rotational shift. Okay, you may be having morning, evening, night, and you need to work on the weekends also. That is on Saturday, Sunday. You may get holiday on the either on a Tuesday, Wednesday, any weekdays. Okay, and work in 24 into 7 environment. So you'll be working in a 24 into 7 environment. So this is the first job opening for you guys. Okay, here if you just click on this apply now section, okay, look at this. The application is going to open. Okay, you just need to fill all the required details. Look at this. Autofill applications is the right. So just you need to send your you need to enter all your details here, and you need to send your resume. So this was the first job openings for the cloud candidates. Now the second one comes from the Umbrella Infocare. Okay, this is also one of the company, and the position they are hiring is DevOps training. Okay, here this company is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps training. They have clearly mentioned the location. Okay, look at this, the graphics to sector UPI Noida, Uttar Pradesh. This is for the North Indian guys. Okay, many of my subscribers, viewers are from the North India also. So for you guys, I have bought this job opening from the Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so here they have, as you can see, the job posted is on the February 2024. That is on the 19th of Feb. Okay, this is more of a full-time job opportunity, and the experience is 0 to 1 years of experience. Here they have clearly mentioned everything. Job title is DevOps training, experience is 0 to 1 years, and the location is Noida. Here you will be having a general shift, okay, that is from morning 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. and the work mode is complete on site, so you just need to go to office and work every day. That is the thing. Department, here look at this is very important. AWS professional services, here you should be good at AWS cloud, that is very important, okay. And education is BTech, MCA, MTech, computer science or equivalent. So education is, you may be from the BTech or MTech degree holder, you are highly suggested for this position. And if you look at the job description and everything, okay, they have clearly mentioned everything. So I'm not going to read about the job description. I'll be directly reading this skills. Okay. So here, the thing is, here they have mentioned that you should be very good at technical as well as verbal communications. Okay, and you should be good at analytical skills, and you should be ready to demonstrate the out of box problem solving skills. Look at this. Okay, so, and next thing is demonstrated ability to think strategically about the solution technical challenges. So you should be troubleshooting as basically that is the thing. Insane, curious, and energetic with a keen attention to details and high level of commitment. So you should be ready to work with a high level of commitment. That is very important first thing. Okay, giving a keen attention to the work what you are doing. The next one is self. You should be ready to learn the new technologies or new things very quickly. The next one is self-starter with the ability to appropriately prioritize and plan. Here they have mentioned everything, guys. So please read this before applying to this job opening. I'm telling you here. Look at the knowledge, theoretical knowledge. They have clearly mentioned theoretical knowledge on the AWS VPC. This service you must include in your resumes. That is the main important thing. Okay. AWS VPC, EC2, ELP, ALP, security groups, NACL, route tables, Route 53, CloudWatch, snapshot, etc. See, these services are very mandatory. Okay, while applying to this job, please mention the services. Okay, if you don't know, not a problem. You just need to learn first. Okay, you just need to enter the services in the resume. Then also you can learn all this. You can learn just in 2 or 3 days. That is maximum for this, guys. Okay, so and one more thing is ability to write a scripts of DevOps and automations. Here they have clearly mentioned that you should be ready to write the scripts. Okay, that is mainly from Terraform as well as shell scripting. So you should be writing the scripts, and you should be having the knowledge of the database migration to cloud. Okay, that is on premises to the cloud to the on premises. So you should be having knowledge and knowledge on the monitoring as well as ticketing tool also you should be having, and you should know about how to install, configure, troubleshooting of Linux as well as a Windows services. As I've already told you, you should be good at any cloud computing platforms. It may be AWS, Azure, Google. So you may be if you may be looking at the jobs like in the cloud, in the AWS or in the Azure, GCP, not a problem. If you are having just familiarity with the DevOps tools and technologies, guys, you can apply. Okay. So this is the second job opportunity for you guys. Now the third one, okay. The third one comes from the LinkedIn. As you can see, I already have opened my LinkedIn account. So please open your LinkedIn account. Go to this profile called Aishwarya Ghaute. Okay. So this is a profile name. She is a HR. She is mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer training. Look at this. The company name is Inferex in Analytics Private Limited. Okay, the location is Pune and the job type is full time. She has clearly mentioned everything. Okay, she has clearly mentioned everything. And if you look at the description of the job, this is mainly for the DevOps training position. Okay, and here she has mentioned that the position is ideal for recent graduates or entry level professionals looking to kickstart their career in DevOps. If you're a fresher who want to start your career in the DevOps field, you are highly recommended for this position. I'm telling you. Okay. So here they have mentioned that you should be very good at DevOps tools and technologies. That is the main thing. And moreover, they haven't mentioned about the cloud or Linux or anything. They haven't mentioned. Okay. But if you're going for the DevOps position, they will be asking you about the Linux as well as some cloud. That is very mandatory. But as you can see in the text, she has mentioned Docker, Kubernetes, Python, PowerShell like this. So be prepared for that also. And see, you just need to send your resume as well as a cover letter to agvate@inferix.com. So this is their email ID. So you just need to send your resume to this email ID. Okay. So this is the third job opportunity for you guys. Now the fourth one. Here the fourth one also comes from the LinkedIn. In the LinkedIn, there is one company called B Galileo. Okay, this company is mainly located at the Bangalore position. And look at the position, cloud infrastructure and support engineer. That is mainly for the fresher. This is completely for the fresher, guys. I'm telling you, this is completely for the fresher. Okay, and that is mainly it's a cloud position. So here they have mentioned about the. If you go down, the role description. The cloud infrastructure support engineer freshers will be responsible for day-to-day tasks associated with the troubleshooting, technical support, customer support, system administration, network security, and the networking. So you will here will be mainly doing troubleshooting. You will be providing the technical support. You will be doing the customer support, and you will be doing the system administration as well as the network security. Remember this point. And as I already told you, this is complete location is remote. Position is located at Bangalore, and the roles require working in shift and allowance for remote and hybrid work. Look at this. This is very important, guys. Here they have clearly mentioned that the requires in shift. You need to work in a shift. Okay, rotational shift you will be need to work and allows for remote or hybrid work. So if it's your choice, if you want to work from home, you can work. Otherwise, you have the hybrid work mode. That is, you need to go to office for 3 days in office and 2 days in home. Okay. Let's come to the qualification section. Troubleshooting, system administration, technical support skills. Okay. So you should be, as I've already told you, should be good at these things, and you should be having knowledge on the AWS cloud. That is very mandatory. And you should be having the containerization and orchestration are Docker and Kubernetes tools are very highly preferred. Okay. You should be good at this, and you should be knowing AWS code deployment. That is code deploy, Jenkins, Ansible. You should be knowing these are CI/CD as well as automation tools. Okay. And you should be having the excellent problem solving skills. Okay. And excellent communication or a verbal English is must. And you should be having degree. Okay. That is mandatory. And if you have any certificates in AWS cloud, that is also highly preferred. And look at this. Here they have mentioned the offers and the environment about the company. And look at this here. The salary range from 2.4 to 3 LPA per annum. So here you will be getting from 20,000 to 25,000 per month. Remember this. Okay. The salary varies from 20 to 20,000, 25,000, I think, right? Yeah. So this is the thing. So you just need to go on this easy apply section and apply to this job opening also. Okay. So this is the fourth job opportunity for you guys. And before moving to the fifth job opportunity, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, I'm requesting everyone, please subscribe. Okay. Please subscribe, because every day I will be daily bringing the job opportunity for you guys. Okay. If your subscription only brings more confidence in me to bring the more jobs every day. Okay. And if you want all the job opening links which I have shown, you can just message me at this, or if you just need to send an invitation first, while sending the invitation, you can also message me. The Instagram handle name is Vishwa Karkalle. Okay, this is my Instagram handle. So you just need to send a invitation. While sending invitation, you can just message me like this, guys. I will show how to you message also. Okay. So see here, one of the person has mentioned what he needs is AWS and DevOps fresher jobs. He needed the AWS and DevOps fresher job. So he has sent a message like this. If you send me a message like this, it will be easier for me to understand what are the job links I need to send you. As you can see here, I have sent the job links, right? So I will be sending you all the links completely free without taking a single rupee from you. I'm telling you, I'll be not taking single rupee. Okay. So please send an invitation and get the benefit from me. Okay. The next is fifth job opportunity. From the fifth job opportunity comes from the LinkedIn. Okay, here there is one person. There is in the LinkedIn there is one profile called Muhammad Asim. Okay, so he is mainly hiring for the company called Code as a Technologies. Okay, and the position they have hiring for is 1 year of experience DevOps engineer. DevOps engineer. If you are a person who is done any internships like 3 months, 6 months, okay, or 9 months of internship experience, not a problem, you can also apply. See, the thing is, if they are hiring for 1 year of experience candidate, they will also hire for the fresher. Why? I will tell you. Because the fresher as well as 1 year experience will there is be not much difference. If you have done, if being a fresher, if you don't have any experience, okay, if you have done some solid or some real time projects, then you high chance of hiring for you guys, I'm telling you. So even fresher also, please apply. Here this position is fully remote. Okay, first of all, this position is fully remote and it's anywhere in Pakistan. So if you're interested, you can apply. Okay, otherwise you don't need. And here they have mentioned hands-on on CI/CD experience. You should be having hands-on experience in the GitHub or a Bitbucket. Okay, that is the thing. And next year you should be good at any cloud. It may be AWS or Azure. They have mentioned here you should be having the relevant or very relevant skills, that is in the clouds. Okay, and you should be having the knowledge on the containerization, that is Docker and Kubernetes. they have clearly mentioned ECS is very crucial. So you should be knowing AWS ECS is knowing the it's very crucial, as well as you should be knowing the SQS, Lambda, ECR, and ECS. Okay, so please mention this in your resume. Okay, this will be added advantage if you mention. Your resume is going to get selected. If you don't mention, your resume is not going to get selected. I'm telling you. Here, if you look at this, they have clearly mentioned everything. Look at the timing. Timing is 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Available additionally in emergencies as needed. So if there is any emergencies, you need to work at extra hours for this day. Okay. So here they have mentioned everything in this. Okay, tools. What are the skills they are expecting? The remote location. Okay, this is completely remote location. As I told you, you can just sit in your home and you can easily do this. Okay. So if you want to apply for the job opening now, just click at this. Okay, you look at this. Apply here section is there, right? So you just need to click here, and you will be redirected to the page like this. There is a page. It will be opening like this. So you just need to enter your all details here. Okay. So you just need to enter all your details, and you need to send your resume to this person. Okay. So these all are the job openings which I wanted to show you for today's guys. If you're looking for any other job opportunities in any other domains, please mention me in the comment section. I will be happy to bring all the job openings for you guys. Okay. Have a good day. All the best for your interviews. Bye.